Welcome, welcome. I just want to tell you that I'm now about to go on a little trip down Kensington Market. This is my friend Chrissy. We're already hitting the parties. We're just going to stop at as many places as possible and share with you guys all the nice tasty treats that are in Kensington Market, downtown Toronto. And I'm looking forward to sharing it with you guys. Sorry, but I gotta go. Always good to get a taste of Jamaica. And this is it right here. It doesn't get better than this. All the sugar cane. Look out front here, guys. They have every little thing. See there? Chubby. When last you see chubby? Everything. Everything. This place named Caribbean Corner. See there? All tamarind. You name it, all sorrel. Sorrel for $3.49 a pack. A good price. I feel like I'm back home, guys. Feel like I'm back home. You never see Johnny cake mix in a packet. When you want Walker's Wood, see there? Kensington Market, guys, on a beautiful summer day in Toronto. The crowds aren't out yet, but they will be soon. There's the CN Tower. This is the place that you come to if you need like a wok or any authentic nice things to cook with. I'm going in there to get a microplane because mine is dull, but this is Top One Trading Company. Great little shop, man. Not so little neither. Hello. So here, guys, is amazing jerk salad. We plan on stopping here at some point today too. I don't know how we're going to eat it all, but we're going to do our very best. Maybe a little taste here and a taste there. Look at this menu. Well, all kind of things are available here. So, there's Chrissy, she's ready. Still no crowds, not yet, still early. But, I'm waiting for this. Here's the jerk spot. More lovely things available here. So, you know we have to check out this, right? Here they go.
You don't want to see a car here. She's smoking, I'm smoking. Yeah, well, why not? You're supposed to be relaxing.
It tells me that this place is great. Rare Katrina, so we're going to check them out and see what they have to offer in there. Everything is just opening up now, so thank you. People are walking by and bending down, so I feel kind of bad filming in the street, but I want to show you guys, you know. So that's why it's like little clips and I'm having them put together because it's just an easy laid back kind of day. Guys, best Bira tacos in town. Happening right now. So my Canadian friend Chrissy insisted that we come and try out this fish, which is breaded with Miss Vicky's salt and vinegar and lime potato chips in the batter. No? Oh, I'm wrong. Sorry.
It's battered, not breaded, and it's got Miss Vicky's salt and vinegar chips in the batter.
Okay.
Crunched up little bitty bits.
All right, little bitty bits. So we are going to try this out, guys, and I'm looking forward to this. I'll let you know. Look at all these coffees, guys. This place has every possible spice you could imagine, and then some. I found some spices in here that we never even know the name of. Everything you need is here. So I really haven't been to Kensington Market in quite a while, and I'm surprised at how many taco places there are. And right now my friend has convinced me to come to yet another one here. It's called Gus Tacos, and we're gonna have a carnitas taco. I love this place, guys. I really like it.
I wonder.
Like, there's just no words, you know? I just want to share it with you.
This is Rasta Pasta.
Oh, you feel like you reach home, eh? This is great. Fresh coconut. Doesn't get better than this, guys. Right. Watch out, my van cart. Sure. This is the best.